The kitchen is more than just a place where meals are made. It's where stories are shared, where laughter bounces off the walls, and where the scent of festival is born. Think about it. Every holiday memory you hold close probably has a flavor, a scent, a sound. The clink of mugs filled with the hot cocoa, the bubbling of a pot of cinnamon spices tea, the soft hum of holiday music as someone stirs a pot. Someone else rolls dough, and everyone feels the same quiet happiness. The festival let your kitchen become more than just a workspace. Let it be the same heart of your home's holiday magic. Start with the counters, a bowl filled with shiny red apples, fresh oranges and cinnamon sticks, and a glass jar of candy cones near the stove. It's an instant festive touches, and you will see how quickly friends and family start sneaking one just because. If you have open shelves, place small spring of pine between jars and mugs. Suddenly, even your everyday kitchenware feels like part of the celebration. And the table, oh, the table. Even if it's just for family breakfast or evening cocoa, make it a place that feels special. A checkered of snowflake pattern tablecloth, a centerpiece made from the pine cones, candles, and maybe a small festival figurine, like a little nutcracker or a sleepy reindeer. Bring in scent that wrap around the soul. Simmer a pot of water with cinnamon cloves and slices of orange while you cook. It's like creating your own natural holiday. Perfumes that drifts through every corner of a house. If you bake, let your kitchen look like you a bake. A plate of sugar cookies cooling on the counter. Gingerbread man lined up like light soldier of joy. A cake stand with a dusting of powdered sugar, snow on top. Don't forget the teeny details because festival lives in them. A tea towel with holly embroidery, a red oven mitt hanging by the stove, a mug rack filled with festive cups waiting for a hot chocolate, peppermint tea, or mulled wine. Thank you once again. Thank you for watching this video. Here is the truth, decorating your kitchen.